how to fix you are in another family on iPhone. So if you're getting this problem, which is you are in another family on your iPhone, then in order to fix this problem, you need to open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you'll find an option of General. Tap on General and then scroll down all the way to the bottom and go with Transfer Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset, which will be on the bottom, and then reset your network settings. After resetting your network settings, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you have to do is just simply go with the settings again, and this time you need to click on your name or your Apple ID, which will be on the top. And then you will have an option of family sharing. If you want to join a different family account, but you are already joined to a particular family, and if you want to simply switch that family, then you'll not be able to do that because Apple has the policy that you cannot switch your Apple family sharing account before 1 year. So if you want to switch the family account, then you have to simply wait for 1 year. Or the last solution is to contact Apple support and ask for the solutions of your problem, or also discuss the problem in the Apple discussion as well. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.